Welcome to another episode in our series where we celebrate the unsung heroes in maintenance and reliability. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep, and today we're turning the spotlight on those who have made significant global contributions to our field. We'll be introducing you to some of the standout professionals who have shared their vast knowledge through books, conferences, and online platforms. You'll get to know their stories, successes, and how they've helped shape the industry. Let's move straight into introducing these remarkable individuals whose last names range from S to Z, starting with Fred Schenkelberg, a powerhouse in reliability engineering and management. Fred founded FMS Reliability and also works as a consultant, helping clients enhance their reliability programs. He's an author, a lecturer at the University of Maryland, and manages the website Exendo Reliability. Next, meet Jeff Shiver, founder of People and Processes, Inc. Jeff has extensive experience in maintenance, having worked in virtually every possible role. His company provides consulting and educational services to help organizations tackle maintenance and reliability challenges. Jeff Smith, a certified reliability leader and a senior reliability leader at reliabilityweb.com, is another expert worth following. He's deeply involved in studying and promoting operational readiness in the industry. LaWayne Smith, the head of asset management and reliability at the University of Kansas Medical Center, is making significant strides in maintenance, optimization, and reliability. His certifications and practical experience make him a key player in asset management. Ricky Smith, a maintenance expert in residence at Upkeep, has a rich history in the industry dating back to 1972. His roles have spanned from mechanic to vice president of world-class maintenance, and he has co-authored several influential books on maintenance best practices. J.D. Solomon brings over 17 years of experience from CH2M, and now offers his expertise in asset management and program development through his consultancy, J.D. Solomon, Inc. He's also a published author, sharing insights on communicating reliability and risk to decision makers. Shadrach Stevens, a global improvement leader and associate reliability director at Dow, oversees assets worth $6 billion globally. His career achievements have been recognized with numerous awards, and he contributes to several industry publications. Adam Streetel, an applications engineer at Ludeca, Inc., is known for his engaging presentations at seminars and his expertise in alignment and geometric measurement systems. He's a go-to expert for predictive, preventive, and corrective maintenance solutions. Usman Mustafa Syed, a maintenance development engineer at Aramis Group, specializes in reliability and maintenance program development. His work is published in several respected journals, and he actively shares his knowledge through articles on LinkedIn. Jason Tranter, founder and CEO of Mobius Institute, has been a prominent figure in reliability, condition monitoring, and vibration analysis since 1984. Mobius Institute has trained over 18,000 people, offering resources and certification for reliability professionals. Drew Troyer, with over 30 years of experience, works as a consultant helping plants achieve peak performance. He's a volunteer editor at the RAM Review and a co-founding member of the Compatible Lands Foundation. Doug Wagen, vice president of global operations at UE Systems, specializes in ultrasound leak detection and electrical inspections, providing valuable training and expertise in this niche area. Drew Waltz, a training manager at Iris, travels globally to educate companies on using ultrasound and infrared technologies in maintenance. He's also responsible for creating comprehensive training materials. Rendela Wenzel, a global reliability and maintenance leader at Eli Lilly and Company, is an influential figure with over 2 decades of experience. She's actively involved in several professional organizations and is frequently published in industry magazines. Calvin Williams, founder and CEO of Improver Technologies, Inc., focuses on continuous improvement for businesses. Over the past 20 years, he's guided corporations to realize billions in savings and growth opportunities. Cliff Williams, a principal advisor at People and Processes, Inc., brings a wealth of knowledge from his extensive experience in maintenance and asset management. He's an author and an online facilitator, helping professionals enhance their skills. George Williams, CEO of ReliabilityX, is dedicated to implementing holistic reliability strategies. He's an instructor at the University of Wisconsin-Madison and has been recognized for his leadership in reliability. Wally Wilson, a consultant specializing in spare parts and storeroom management, has helped numerous clients implement best practices through his consulting work and publications. Jeremy Wright, CEO of Crimson Metalworks, is a leader in industrial maintenance and asset management. He's developed educational programs and holds a patent for a machine fluid condition monitoring system. Sar Yoskovitz, co-founder and CEO of Augury, focuses on diagnosing machinery malfunctions using hardware, software, and AI. His work aims to ensure reliable machine performance with minimal environmental impact. Lastly, Randy Yunt, managing director at the Renewable Group, takes a straightforward approach to improving reliability for his clients. He holds patents for innovative filtration systems and is committed to driving positive change in various industries. These professionals are part of a larger community that you can join on Slack, where you can connect with experts and peers in the maintenance and reliability field. And that wraps up our video. We hope you enjoyed meeting these professionals and learning about their contributions to the maintenance and reliability field. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest content. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and reliability team, visit us at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.